أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والذين يؤذون المؤمنين والمؤمنات بغير ما اكتسبوا فقد احتملوا بهتانا وإثما مبينا.
Those who cause hurt to believing men and to believing women have invited upon themselves a calumny and a manifest sin. This verse determines the definition of slander. It is to ascribe a fault to a person which he does not have, or an error which he has not committed. The Prophet, peace be upon him, also has explained it. According to Abu Dawud and Tirmidhi, when he was asked as to what is givat, backbiting, he replied, "It is to make mention of your brother in a manner derogatory to him." The questioner said, "And if the fault is there in my brother?" The Prophet, peace be upon him, replied, "If the fault that you mentioned is there in him, you backbite him. If it is not there, you slandered him." Such an act is not only a moral sin, which will entail punishment in the hereafter, but this verse also requires that also in the law of an Islamic state false allegation should be held as a culpable offense. Slander, as defined in this verse and explained by the Prophet, peace be upon him, involves falsely attributing a fault or error to someone that they do not possess. Backbiting, on the other hand, refers to speaking ill of someone based on a real flaw. The moral and legal implications of slander are significant in Islam. It is not only a sin that will incur divine punishment in the hereafter, but is also considered a serious offense in the law of an Islamic state. This highlights the importance of truthfulness, fairness, and protecting the dignity of others, whether in personal conduct or societal norms.